Keychron Q6 Pro mechanical keyboard launched with dual-mode connectivity. Keychron keyboards impress a lot of consumers with their customizability and solid build. The company recently teamed up with OnePlus to launch OnePlus Keyboard 81 Pro with a neat design. Today, it has announced an economical mechanical keyboard in China, dubbed Keychron Q6 Pro. It brings dual-mode connectivity and loads of customizability options. Let's have a look at its pricing and specifications. The keyboard has a 100% layout, which means it has all the standard keys, including the function keys, arrow keys, and number pad. The body of the keyboard is made of 6063 aluminum, making it strong and durable. It is available in black, white, or silver. The keyboard is equipped with self-developed K-Pro switch body. These switches are made of high-quality materials and are designed to provide a smooth and tactile typing experience. The keyboard is also equipped with KSA height PBT 2-color injection keycaps. The keycaps are also made up of a durable material and are resistant to wear and tear. The interior of the keyboard uses gasket structure plus PC positioning board design. This design provides a more comfortable typing experience and reduces the noise level of the keyboard. Keychron Q6 Pro supports Bluetooth wired dual-mode connection, meaning you can use the keyboard wirelessly or with a USB cable. The keyboard also supports QMK via open-source key change. This allows you to customize the keyboard's layout and keymap. It is compatible with both Mac and Windows systems. Keychron Q6 Pro is currently listed in China with a price tag of 898 yuan $125. This keyboard is not yet available in the global market and we're not sure if it ever will be. In any case, we'll keep you posted.